Thank you very much indeed. You may have heard us rehearsing that earlier on, a song about our imaginary friend Brian, but you've heard nothing yet, because we have saved our best performance of it until right now. Just see if I'm wrong, everybody at home. Lovely. All right. Good luck. And thank you, Mrs. Kowalik, for allowing us to have this wonderful singing day. To your wonderful teachers, thank you very, very much indeed. And to each of you, you've been amazing, and I've really, really enjoyed hearing your voices. Thank you very much. Here we go.
When shampoo spilled all over the floor, it was Brian, Brian. When someone just kept slamming the door, it was Brian, Brian. Maybe I should tell the truth and get into trouble, instead of blaming everything on my naughty double. It's just too easy to tell a tale on Brian. When something just came under my bed, it was Brian, Brian. When something slipped and fell on my head, it was Brian, Brian. Maybe I should tell the truth and get into trouble, instead of blaming everything on my naughty double. It's just too easy to tell a tale on Brian. When 5 footballs flew over the wall, it was Brian, Brian. When love and grass left over the hall, it was Brian, Brian. Maybe I should tell the truth and get into trouble, instead of blaming everything on my naughty double. It's just too easy to tell a tale on Brian. Secretly between me and you, all the things that we did, it just isn't true. Brian had to climb just as naughty as him, and it's me. And it's me. And it's me.
Thank you very much. Give yourselves and each other a big round of applause. And a very big round of applause. Mrs. Kowalik on the piano. How clever.